Guys, this is her live. Check this one. So I'm trying to give some flowers, but unfortunately, the so guys, for today's video, guys, I will give you tutorial about educating ourselves. So one of our sister are having live, then what happened was I was there and I checked her live, and after that I want to give some flowers, but I cannot give because what happened, her live is minimum 500. Guys, check on this. So guys, before we start live, we need to check first our setting, the minimum amount of flowers that people or the viewers can give to us. So I will give you example. Sister are having a live. So when I check her live, so guys, this is her live. Check this one. So I'm trying to give some flowers, but unfortunately, the minimum that I can give to her is 500. So 500 up to 1,000, the minimum. So check how I will give 500. Guys, it's huge amount, right? So please, what you need to do, check first the setting on your live or on your star icon. So how we can check the minimum, come, I will show you. So guys, from here, go to your Facebook. Of course, go to your Facebook. So we need to educate ourselves, because that one, no one can give us 500 flowers, or except to those people are star sender or other people. At least we can create minimum at least 10 flowers, so that even though the small people can give us. So this one, we need to educate ourselves, okay? So first, we need to go to our professional dashboard. From there, we go to our star setup. So from our star setup, guys, go to the gear icon at the top, click this one, and then from there, minimum star send on your live. So for me, guys, I set up 10 star. So it's up to you if you want minimum 10 or minimum 20 or minimum 25 or minimum 50. It's up to you, but for me, I will set up only 10, so that everybody can give. I will set up 10 so that everybody can give. But this one, minimum start send on live is 10. So that's only the, we cannot put like 5, no, 10 minimum or higher, okay? But please don't put like that 500, because if someone are having only 300 star, then how? So they cannot send, because your limit to send is 500. So the lowest amount we cannot send. So understand, please don't forget to follow, like, and share latest informative videos. Thanks so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.